Hello children! Welcome to day 16 of our 21 days reading program. Today our lesson is about long sound A. Let's read the words with ache sound. Ache. Say it again children. Ache. B. Ache. B. Ache. Bake. Bake. K. Ache. K. Ache. Cake. Cake. R. Ache. R. Ache. Rake. Rake. W. Ache. W. Ache. Wake. Wake. L. Ache. L. Ache. Lake. Lake. Now let's read the words with 8 sound. 8. Say it again children. 8. L. 8. L. 8. Late. Late. D. 8. D. 8. Date. Date. G. 8. G. 8. Gate. Gate. R. 8. R. 8. Rate. Rate. Let's read the words with ale sound. Ale. Say it again children. Ale. T. Ale. T. Ale. Tail. Tail. S. Ale. S. Ale. Sail. Sail. N. Ale. N. Ale. Nail. Nail. M. Ale. M. Ale. Mail. Mail. P. Ale. P. Ale. Pale. Pale. J. Ale. J. Ale. Jail. Jail. R. Ale. R. Ale. Rail. Rail. Now, let's read the words with A's sound. A's. Say it again, children. A's. 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 Face. Face. R. Ace. R. Ace. Race. Race. L. Ace. L. Ace. Lace. Lace. Words with ain sound. Ain. Say it again, children. Ain. P. Ain. P. Ain. Pain. Pain. R. Ain. R. Ain. Rain. Rain. Burr. Burr. Ain. Burr. Ain. Brain. Brain. Words with Ave sound. Ave. Say it again, children. Ave. V. Ave. W. Ave. Wave. Wave. S. Ave. S. Ave. Save. Save. K. Ave. K. Ave. Cave. Cave. Words with ape sound. Ape. Say it again, children. Ape. K. Ape. K. Ape. Tape. Cape. T. Ape. T. Ape. Tape. Tape. Words with age sound. Age. Say it again, children. Age. K. Age. K. Age. Cage. Cage. P. Age. P. Age. Page. Page. St. St. Age. St. Age. Stage. Stage. Way to go, children!